Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine Das and welcome to my channel अनपढ़। अब खुद को अनपढ़ सोचेंगे तभी ना कुछ पढ़ेंगे। So today in the second part of sedimentary rock we will cover the characteristics, यानी कि sedimentary rocks की जितनी भी विशेषताएं हैं हम उनके बारे में जानेंगे। So the first characteristic of sedimentary rock is the presence of fossil, यानी कि इस रॉक में हम जीवाश्म की उपस्थिति देख सकते हैं। Sedimentary rock is formed from the sediments which consisted of silt, sand particles, remains of plant and animals. So we can see the remains of prehistoric animals and plants here. Coal and petroleum are two most important minerals we found in the sedimentary rocks. Now the second fact or characteristic of sedimentary rock is it covers 75% of surface area but only 5% of the composition of the crust. यानी कि क्रस्ट के सरफेस के ऊपर इसका फैलाव ज़्यादा है पर पूरे क्रस्ट में इसकी मात्रा कम है। Now the third characteristic is the size of sediments decreases from the littoral margin towards the center. It happens because the speed of sediment-loaded water decreases when it enters any water body. So it cannot take the larger particles further and started depositing them in the margin. And only small and minute particles are taken further towards the center. Now the fourth characteristic of sedimentary rock is it consisted of many layers or strata. Sedimentary rocks are formed in million years and thousand years by the deposition of sediments layer after layer and then the resultant pressure and heat. And this arrangement of layers can be easily visible in a sedimentary rock. But though the sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposits of sediments layer after layer, you cannot see the horizontal beds lying perfectly one above the other. Due to the tectonic movements and the resultant compressional and tensile forces, these beds are found in anticlinal and synclinal forms. मतलब एक पेपर को दोनों साइड से अंदर की तरफ प्रेशर दीजिए, वो जो ऊपर का एक फोल्ड बनेगा, ऊपर का भाग है एंटीक्लाइन और नीचे का भाग है सिंक्लाइन. Now let's see some vocabs. A sedimentary rock having a thickness of greater than 1 centimeter is known as bed, and its upper surface or the lower surface is known as the bedding plane. The lower surface of the bed is known as sole, S-O-L-E, while the upper surface is known as the upper bedding surface. There are units present within a bed, and if any such unit has a thickness of more than 1 centimeter, it is known as layer, and if it is of below 1 centimeter, it is known as laminae. Now the last one is sun-baked or mud crack. The mud or alluvia deposited by the rivers during flood period develops crack when baked in the sun. This is known as sun-baked or mud crack. So that's all for now. Now it's time to leave. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to motivate me. Have a blissful learning. Stay safe and happy. Bye.